Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team Skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. We just finished single player main story, chapters 22 to 24. And now we have the co-op modes. We'll start with chapter 22, normal, hard, very hard. Not sure if they're super hard already. We'll know in chapter 21. No, until very hard only. So with that said, this is Challenge Paulo and Wikstrom and Wulfric. We're gonna use... This is co-op, right? Co-op, we're gonna use... Where the heck is... this guy? And let's just bring along Ethan. And that's it.
Always count on me.
We'll begin now. This is normal. Enjoy watching. Shouldn't take too long.
I've got this, I hope.
Earthquake.
Now's my chance. I've got this. Now.
Oh, okay. Let's just use the matches too fun.
Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Now's my chance. Leave it to me. Now's my chance. This is my job. Now's my chance. I got this. This is my job. Now.
X attack.
I got this. Now. Now. Show me some grit. I got this. Now. Got shattered to pieces. Come on. Did I miscalculate? Now. Now go. This is it. Tis my chance. Show me some grit. Now.
One last attack. And he's dead.
Defeated.
And that's it, guys. That was normal of co-op chapter number 22. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. We'll do hard in the next video. Whoops, did I just press battle again? I don't know, but I'll see you guys in the next video with hard. Rawr.